Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. So remember, if you subscribe to the channel, you will be able to partake in the gift giveaways that we have going on the channel. And we have giveaways, which I'm gonna list in the description below with the link to the video. So here we go with today's video. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna talk about goals for 2021. So we're gonna break it down to three parts. We're gonna break it down to the V6, the GT500 swap, and the Bullitt. So we're ultimately gonna try to get all three of those things dealt with this year to the point where we can really have some great fun. Ultimately, I'd like to get the V6 up and running as soon as possible and then dial that car in for ultimate fun. Then I'd like to do the GT500, you know, more so when spring is here, and replace the steering rack because that's currently my one big issue that needs a fix. Then we got some pulleys to swap, belt tensioner, maybe a belt, fuel injectors, a BAP, some goodies. Recently got FIC 1000s, you know, Black Friday through Jeremy Howell. Thank you, sir. And ultimately, better to have a little bit more fuel injection available in case you run out of fuel, which that would be real bad. So that's car number 2. Car number 3 would be the Bullitt, to get that car on the road a little bit, go to car events, car meets, car shows, car pictures, whatever, and ultimately just have some real good fun. And that would be ultimately what I want to do for this year. So that's gonna wrap up today's video pretty much, but I got a great outlook for this year. Things will come together and we will get things done on the cars. That's a guarantee, and that's without a fact. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun this year, and we're just gonna ignore 2020, seeing as that was an uglier to deal with, and we're just gonna have some great fun this year. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. We'll see you later. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.